Hi Year 6, welcome to the Design and Technology faculty at Eastleigh Academy. I'm Miss Gilbert and I'm here to take you through an activity today. So your taster lesson today is going to explore using ellipse shapes to help you to develop design ideas for some toothbrushes. You are going to explore different facial pattern and character design features, and your communication element is to create a range of toothbrush designs using ellipses. The impact of this lesson is that you will be more confident about how to draw three-dimensional curved objects, and you'll be prepared to begin to consider exploring adding tone, colour and shading to your designs. So the first thing that we've got today is an example of a sketchbook that Mr. Newbold has put together, and he's going to take you through your activity. You're going to need some A4 paper, a ruler, a pencil and a rubber. So Mr. Newbold has got his sketchbook in landscape format, and he's got a 30cm ruler. Now he's lightly sketching out 3 straight lines that are evenly spaced across his page. He's then labelling his designs, design 1, and then we'll go to 2 and 3. So ellipses are different types of curved shapes that designers use to help them to have guidelines when they're trying to sketch out three-dimensional curved products. So on the video you can see that he's using the straight line to map out the centre of his toothbrush, and then he's thinking about where the wider curves will be and where the more narrow curves will be. At the moment he's sketching the front part of the brush with the bristles, and then he's going to start to consider how to add darker lines to emphasize certain areas, and then how he can develop this sketch into a character, or how he can add pattern and surface texture so that this toothbrush comes to life and the character is developed. So Mr. Newbold's working very confidently with his pencil here, and straight away starting to add certain lines with darker and more firmer pressure. Please bear in mind, if you press on too firmly with your pencil too quickly, it can make it very difficult to rub out. So start very lightly until you're happy and satisfied with your sketch, and then you can add in darker lines. Please feel free to pause this clip at any point and to go back or to freeze on any important areas of the video that will help you with your sketching. And it's up to you whether your 3 design ideas all have a similar theme, or whether you pick 3 completely separate things and develop them across the page. When we've done this activity with students in Year 7 at Eastleigh Academy, sometimes students prefer to print out pictures before attempting this task to help with their sketching and design ideas, and that may be something that you want to do or something that you come to do midway through this task. If there's a particular character or design that you're struggling to visualize just in your head, we strongly recommend having a designer or picture to follow to help you. So once you've got your 3 toothbrush designs sketched out, the next element that we've got in the presentation for you is another shot of some designs by Mr. Newbold. What amazing ideas can you come up with? The next task is some logo development. So you've got your 3 design ideas and you can pick your favourite one and then start to think about developing a logo. This will give your product a clear brand identity. In this logo, Mr. Newbold has used his alien toothbrush design to create the brand, and the character is called Ali N. The logo here is in close-up, and you can see that pens have been used to make the design neater and to stand out. The design is now ready for some colour. If you wish to, you can either develop your own logo, or you might want to think as a class about what colour scheme you could apply to Ali and why. At ELA, you will always explore other colourways and ways of adding texture. In this example, we have used magic markers to give our designs a professional look. The final activity in the project that we've got for you today is to consider doing some packaging design. Good packaging always includes strong imagery, such as your logo, and important information about the product. Here is a CAD illustration of how to make your packaging. So CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, and here the design has been put into a computer package, and you can see it in all different dimensions and viewpoints. Here's how the packaging net looks in 2D. Think about how you might position the logos and the information. At the end of the presentation, here is a template that your teachers might want to print to use for your net. You can then work directly onto paper, or you can print it onto card and add your design details. We hope you enjoy the activity, and we look forward to meeting you in September. Thank you very much.